guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having an amazing Monday. I hope your work day is going amazing. And if you're at home, I hope you're using your productive mind to get things done. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a true soldier of the family, welcome back. Today we're going to be building a tray, I guess you would say, since I'm building it on the charger plate or a flat concept, whichever one you want to go with. From the Vanilla Bean Spa Luxury items from Dollar Tree, we're going to use 3 of those items along with a cup from Dollar Tree, a loofah, and then some embellishments, Christmas embellishments that we have. The bath bombs are already on there because I want something to center it. And we're going to use the bath bomb to center it. Let me get my glue dots. Let me get everything that I'm going to use in this concept right here. So we're going to be using the bubble bath, the body wash, and the bath bomb. We're going to be using this tree to embellish it. We're also going to be using these balls for embellishment. We're also going to be using this loofah and this silver poinsettia we got from Walmart. So let's jump right on into building this basket. So I hope everybody's day is going amazing when you see this video. I hope you have had a good day if you're at work or if you're getting out for work. And if you're at home and you build baskets, I hope your creativity is flowing. I hope those creativity juices are flowing. And if you're selling for the holiday, I wish you much luck in your selling adventures. So we're going to place that one right there. I think you can see that one. Then we're going to put some glue dots on the body wash to secure it. The glue dots I get from Walmart because I get this. Let me show you which ones I get because these are, I haven't used the other ones with the red, but these right here are stronger to me. I think they're made a little bit stronger, so I've changed to those right there because I think they hold better to me. That's just my preference. Okay, and then we're going to put the body wash right here, I think. And then we're going to set the cup a little up this way, a little bit, because we want it flat. And I think that's right where we're going to set the cup. So let me put some glue dots on it. Don't forget to take your tags off at the bottom of your cup that you get from Dollar Tree. They usually pull right off like that. And for these, you want to put it on like the little rim. I found that better to secure them if you put it on the rim, not in the middle part, but one in the front and one in the back, and some on the side, that it'll hold the cup better. And when I get them on here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna have to heat this little heat down because I turned on the heater and turned it up because it's cold outside, but now I'm hot. And this is what I'm talking about right there. One like that to make them secure. And we're gonna make sure the season's greeting is showing. And we're gonna place it right there. I think that looks amazing. Then we're gonna take the loofah and we're gonna set it right in front of the, like that. So let's put some glue dots on this loop. I don't think it holds, so I usually put it on my string and kind of tuck it down behind there. I just lost that glue. Oh, there it go. Like right here, by the string. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know if I'm in the camera, but right there. And then just take the string and like kind of tuck it. And then place it down like that. We ain't doing something right, guys. It's the string done tucked up in there too far. So let me do it this way. Let's put that down there. And take the string and put it right there. And then we'll tuck it behind there. And that usually will get it right there so it won't move. We're going to take this poinsettia when I get the tag off of there. Where are my scissors? Do y'all believe I got everything together today? I was prepared. And we're going to clip it right to the loofah like that. So it'll be secure. And I think that's good. And then we're going to take these balls and we're going to slide them between the cut. Straighten it back up. And I think that looks kind of amazing. Now we got the last thing. What? I think I'm going to turn them up that way. Like that. Back here and see what y'all see. Dana, if you get us in the camera, maybe we can see it. So that's that. And then we're going to take the Christmas tree and we're going to place it right there. So let me put some glue dots on it. Make it a little Christmassy. And I don't have a bow for it. I should have been thinking this morning when I was just sitting down making bows. But of course, I'm making bows for something I already had done. And didn't even think about this. But I'm probably going to go with a silver bow. I'll show you the one. Like the smaller one that I'm going to use the color. Hold on just a minute. Let me hurry up because I don't want this to be a long video. I don't want to stick, but we gonna make it. Okay. And we're gonna set the tree. Where did I say? Right there. And I think that is gonna be the tray, the charger plate. But I'm gonna use some silver ribbon like this. I have to flip that one out. I got another gift over here I'm working on. But we're going to use this, and since it's silver poinsettia, and maybe this. So put those two together. And that's probably going to be my bow. So when I get it done, I'll make it short because I don't want to make this video too long. We're at 9 minutes right now. People don't like watching long videos. Some people don't watch a video all the way through. So I try to make my videos shorter now to see if I can get some traction. But that's the end result right there. All I got to do is bag it and bow it, and I'll be done. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for taking time out your day to watch little old me. I really appreciate you all. I didn't do many Christmas like gifts with Christmas concepts because yeah, you know, Christmas, you can roll them on the other ones over into Valentine's Day. Just take the Christmas decorations out. But if you make them all Christmassy, then you have to break them down and use them for something else, or save them to next year with their Christmas themes. But I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when y'all see this video. I hope y'all have a blessed one. And until my next video, you all stay blessed. But if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Right there. Go ahead and tap on that notification bell. When it drops down, make sure that it says all, so you don't be mad at nobody for thinking they're not watching your videos. You have to push all, guys, or otherwise it'll be personalized and you won't get their notification but on certain videos. Then while you right there, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment so I know that you've been here. Otherwise, people want to know that you're at their channel so they can come back and show you that same support. Until my next video, as I stated before, you all be blessed.